What are the limitations of large language models (LLM), and how do these limitations affect their performance in generating language and solving complex tasks? And so large language models (LLM) have made significant progress in generating human-like language, but they are not without limitations. One of the major limitations is their tendency to produce factually incorrect or inconsistent information. This is because they lack a thorough understanding of the underlying concepts or facts and are often trained on incomplete or biased data. As a result, they may struggle with tasks that require a deep understanding of complex topics or nuanced information. Another limitation of LLM is their difficulty in performing complex thinking activities such as logical inference, causal interpretation, or multi-step problem resolution. This is because they are designed to recognize patterns in language rather than to understand the underlying concepts or relationships between ideas. This can make it challenging for them to generate coherent and logical responses to complex questions or prompts. Furthermore, LLM can also display biases or provide undesirable results if they are trained on biased or manipulated data. For example, if a model is trained on a dataset that reflects societal biases, it may perpetuate those biases in its responses. This can have serious consequences, particularly in applications where the model is intended to provide objective or neutral information. Finally, LLM may struggle with tasks that require specific knowledge or domain expertise. This is because they are often trained on general-purpose language data rather than on specialized knowledge or domain-specific information. As a result, they may not be able to provide accurate or relevant responses to questions that require specialized knowledge or expertise. In summary, the limitations of LLM are significant and can affect their performance in generating language and solving complex tasks. These limitations include a lack of factual accuracy, difficulty with complex thinking activities, potential for bias, and struggle with tasks that require specific knowledge or domain expertise. Despite these limitations, LLM are still a powerful tool for generating language and can be useful in a wide range of applications. However, it is important to be aware of their limitations and to take steps to mitigate them in order to ensure that they are used effectively and responsibly.